welcome back to my channel for another fun Tesla video. Today I'm going to be ordering the brand new dark Gemini wheel covers by Tesla from the Tesla shop. And stay tuned later during this video for delivery, an unboxing, and an installation of these new wheel covers. I cannot wait to see how these look on my car. So let's go ahead and order these. I can't wait. So we're gonna pop over to the Tesla shop. I'm gonna go up here and type in Gemini wheels, and that should just pop up all of our options here. So as you can see, there is the light Gemini there, and we're going to just click over here to select style, click that and select Gemini dark. Look at that, you guys. This looks so nice. I'm going to add 4 to my cart, 1 for each wheel, of course. Add to cart. Click view cart. Check out, and it'll have all of your information down here. We're going to use our Tesla credits today. I'm going to click place order, and that's it. Oh, I'm so excited. So they're all ordered, and now all I have to do is wait for these to come. Knowing Tesla, it really shouldn't take that long, probably by the end of the week. So my brand new dark Gemini wheel covers just arrived. So let's go ahead and get the box. So excited to unbox these for you guys. There it is. And it's a good size box, you guys. Oh, let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, you guys, here's my box. I cannot wait to open these. And just for reference, here is an image of what the original Gemini wheels look like. This is the light version, but what we are unboxing today is the dark version. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm confident that because this is a Tesla product, that these are not going to fade out like my other wheel covers have. So I'm hoping these last a very long time and stay black looking. So let's go ahead and open this up. It's a gigantic box though. It's pretty well padded. Here you go. This is what it looks like on top. So hopefully these don't go falling out. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and do this just to be safe. It looks like they have, I'm just gonna pull out 1, but obviously there's 4 in here. They are each individually padded, which I appreciate. That helps the finish stay as nice as possible for as long as possible. Right now I'm only looking at the back of it here. It's the part that clips in. This looks super easy. Ooh, these are so nice. Very nice, and I love that it has the Tesla symbol in the middle. So here are the dark Gemini wheels, you guys. Aren't they so pretty? They're just the exact same as the light ones, only they're black. So this is what they look like. There is that Tesla symbol in the middle there. These are gonna look so sharp on my Model Y, you guys. And I'm gonna show you guys also this side as well, so you guys can see the clips there. These should just literally snap right into place. I don't know if they included any like tape strips or anything else like that, like other brands might do, but these honestly, they look like they just clip into place. And this piece here, it might do that too, so I can't wait to try these on the car and see how they look. So why don't we go ahead and do that? Guys, this is my Model Y, and these are the Rim Tricks covers that I was talking about. And as you guys can see, there has been some fading in the color, and it's only been 6 months since we put these on. Overall, they've been great, like they've never tried to pop off or anything like that, but we're really looking to just bring back that nice dark black color against the wheel because I think that looks really sharp. So let's go ahead and start pulling these off, and then we are going to put on our brand new Gemini dark wheels. Okay guys, this is my husband Tim, and he's going to be helping me remove these today because he's got a lot more strength than I do. So let's go ahead and get started on removing these rim tricks.
A little bit of a pain too, but
yeah.
you got to use pretty much a screwdriver. And if you don't want to scratch them up, use them again. Use some type of cloth. Just work it behind it. Straight off there, and then we just grab it. I would also use something like this just to so it doesn't cut into your hand.
There you go. Great job. Now we just have to take off 3 more. And then we can put on the new ones. So I have my brand new dark Gemini wheel here. We're going to go ahead and pop this on. And there's a little notch here that lines up with the valve. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with that first. Wish me luck, because this is my very first time ever doing this. All right. All right. It's going on pretty easily so far. And then it feels like I got it in there.
Yep.
All right, let's go ahead and do the other 3.
Okay. There you go.
Yay! Okay guys, these are the brand new dark Gemini wheels, and I think they're great. They look really, really nice. There's one thing that you may not be aware of when you order these, that they will not cover that top rim area. So if you're worried about curb rash, you may want to look at something else. But I think these look really, really nice. But that is the only thing I have to say about them. Let's go give them a test run. So as you guys could see in this video, if you have an older Model Y like we do, I think mine is a 2023 model, those rims are a lot lighter colored. So if you do put the black rims on, it will shout a little bit more, but I still like the look. I think it's great. But I think I may end up putting on the other Gemini wheels. I'm not sure yet. Let me know down in the comments below. What do you think of this? Do you like these? Would you purchase these? If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. And if you guys want to save $1,000 off of your next Model Y, be sure to use my referral link down in the description below. Thanks for watching.